Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, February 11th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Look at the Dow chart here. It opens up, goes way down, comes back, officially closing down 7 points. You can look at yesterday's pattern, and it's about the same. It's just zigzagging all over the place, but ending about where it started. That's exactly what it did today, second day in a row. These kinds of patterns oftentimes result in kind of crappy trading, but they also can result in crappy accounting. I made a mistake that I will correct right now. Yesterday, I reported that we had closed out negative about $7,000, and then in the process of doing today's trades, I discovered that somehow, I don't know how I did this, I had overlooked a positive $12,000 plus trade in Ag Eagle Aerial and recorded it as a small negative trade. So when I corrected that mistake yesterday, we hadn't lost $7,000, we'd gained $7,000. And I have corrected that on the website. I apologize. I just, I get at the end of the day, and sometimes I'm really tired and grumpy and want to get everything over with. But I'm surprised because I'm pretty good with numbers, and this one slid past me. Anyway, yesterday we did not lose $7,000. We made $7,000. We did lose about $7,000 today. Officially, we closed out negative $6,500, and we got into 5 new positions, 2 positive, 3 negative, and we're carrying negative $532 into tomorrow. Both these days are kind of low volume and just not the best environment for our style of trading. However, in spite of the fact that we're showing a losing losses, we had some really good trades today. One for 10,000, one for 13,000, another for about 8,000. In spite of those really good trades we closed out, we still came up negative 6,500, and the reason being, well, I'm going to show you the reason being. Yesterday I showed you all positive trades. I'm going to show you all negative trades today to show some balance and show how this happened. With all those good trades, we still ended up in the hole. This is where I discovered the mistake. This is UAVS, which is Ag Eagle Aerial Systems. And 3 days ago, we had bought this thing, second hour or so, and we got out yesterday, and this was the trade somehow I screwed up and reported as a negative. It's actually, we made $12,280 in Ag Eagle with this trade that we exited yesterday, but the thing went back down and then it started to rally. We ended up getting re-entered on the high bar of the day in this, and then it turned around right after that, and we were stopped out this morning, and that cost us $8,800. So we made $1,200 plus over here, but we gave back $8,800 of it today, and that sucks. That cost us some loss of equity. And then here's another one. This is good sometimes, but it's very volatile. This is POLA, Polar Power Incorporated, and we had bought that yesterday near the high of the day, and it just crapped out from there, and we were stopped out this morning, and we took an $8,600 loss in Polar Power. And then finally, the ultimate hair shirt for trading right now is GME GameStop. And I'm sure you've heard the story. I've told it a couple times. This thing was driven to over $400 by small-time traders who pushed the hedge fund managers into bankruptcy. But the hedge fund managers are definitely back in control of this thing, and they're pushing it way down again, and they keep getting us in here like they did yesterday, pretty near the high, and then today we're stopped out for a $9,000 loss, and this is back to back. We had a $10,000 loss on this just a couple days ago. And I noticed here, I don't know if you can see it, on the last bar this thing rallies, and that's, you know, that's short covering. And if I was pessimistic, I'd say, well, they're just going to rally it a little tomorrow and probably get us back in and then stick it to us again. But I can't stop following the system, because as soon as I stop following the system, I say, tomorrow, hey, I'm not going to take a buy in GameStop, and they take the damn thing up to $400 again. I don't think that will happen, but it's a kind of, I've been around too many times in this trading business to know as soon as I think I know better than the system, that's when I get left out of the trade of the century. So even if this damn thing gives me a buy tomorrow, I'm going to take it. We'll probably be dropping it from the portfolio at the end of February, but until then, I'll trade the system, even in GameStop, even though right now I hate it. Anyway, that's the way it went. You guys have a nice evening. I'll be back here tomorrow trading as usual on Freaky Friday.